Welcome everyone, this is Iqra Ijaz and my topic for today's presentation is the direct and indirect object in syntax. So without wasting our time, let's just commence it. The direct object in a sentence is the noun or pronoun that receives the action of the verb. For example, in the sentence, I kicked the ball. The ball is the direct object because it is the noun receiving the action of the verb kicked. The indirect object is the noun or pronoun that receives the direct object. For example, in the sentence, I gave Mary the book. The book is the direct object because it is a noun receiving the action of the verb gave. And the Mary is the indirect object because she is receiving the book. In syntax, the direct and indirect objects are important because they help to clarify the meaning of the sentence and the relationship between different parts of a speech. So that's all about it. Thank you so much.